Hungry chickens in the mood for some table scraps. And it's almost their time for regular feeding. It's about, 2 o'clock. So I have a whole assortment of table scraps. Oh look, who's that right there? It's number 19. Look at her. Look at that. There she is. Okay. They're chasing me. That's what they do. Okay. All good stuff. It's kind of messy out, but that's what happens. There's a pair. Oh, she's got bread. That one's got noodles. There's some salad. Potato skins. Everybody gets something.